What do you think these small fish are doing in the mouth of this big fish? Do you think they're in danger? Can the big fish swallow all of the fish in its mouth at once? Or, if it wanted to eat them, could the small fish save themselves? However, the big fish seemed to be pleased contrary to what is thought. It can even wait for minutes without closing its mouth, so that these small fish work easily. What do you think is the meaning and reason for this image? Parasites and fungi develop in the mouth, skin, and gills of big fish over time. If these parasites and fungi are not cleaned regularly, they will grow so much as to endanger the life of the fish. Yes, it is a necessity for the big fish to be cleaned. However, it is not possible for the big fish to clean itself. In that case, small fish and shrimps come to the rescue of the big fish. The big fish in need of cleaning goes to the places where the small fish live and which are almost like cleaning centers, and wait there to be cleaned. What is more, shrimp move their colored lines like a lighthouse to help the fish in need of cleaning to find them. Yes, this partnership, which does not make sense at first glance, provides mutual benefit to both parties. In this way, the big fish get rid of the parasites disturbing it, while small fish and shrimp feed on those parasites. We ask those who do not accept Allah as the doer and regard causes and coincidences as doers in this deed of cooperation the following questions. Why do shrimp and small fish clean the big fish? It is not their problem. What is more, they are always eaten by big fish. Why do they risk themselves though they can obtain the same sustenance more easily and without danger? We have just said that the shrimp help the big fish find its place by moving their colored lines like a lighthouse. How did the shrimp get the device to help the big fish to locate its place? What cause or coincidence attached him these wise devices? How have they established this partnership that is mutually beneficial to both parties? How have they agreed not to harm small fish in exchange for cleaning the big fish? How have these creatures given guarantee to each other, to help each other, and to make an agreement, though they are deeds that are peculiar to human beings, and even human beings cannot do them properly, though they are intelligent beings? What is more, the shrimps are programmed for this task so much that they do the same thing even if a human being, not a fish, opens his mouth. What unconscious, ignorant, and willless cause has placed these feelings in their life program? Who has taught them to clean? And upon whose orders do they work? Some fish even clean the shipwreck under the sea without allowing the oxidation of a sunken ship. How do these fish know that the chemicals to form in that wreck will damage the ship? Who has given them the duty of keeping underseas clean? Yes, the only answer that can be given to those questions is Allah, who has infinite knowledge, will, power, and mercy, who teaches these creatures the things they need to do, equips them with appropriate devices, and makes them help one another. Who but Allah can be the owner of those deeds, which necessitate knowledge, will, power, and mercy? And in the creation of yourselves, and the fact that animals are scattered through the earth, are signs for those of assured faith.